oko gose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochi motu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no negasi bagokoresa obwangu muibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotigo mwana ngabere isiko ngoko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose ese school yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke ase serikali aeguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aeguchibesa korwa ase serikali ese ensemo tokoruka help aeguchibesa chia CDF igo omwana oyo ekera iruchibesa ichionsi igemineti ng'a igagosoma bosa tobaise gotiga omwana oyo isiko ekiagera ng'a tobwatie ebesa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora amasomo achigwekonya nande achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egenderete ilikirero bwenyo ribaga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asubare kisi ikonge angeno muchoke brigo asamange bakiresimi inuti isano na ibere inuti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano na isano nemo inye inuti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inuti isano boigo inuti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma taliri ase website www.burabutti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
na magorobo mwanchumu ligeriria ninde no kwegena nga ejuma yago nigegendete koba entoera rukigima ekerongo kwarigania ase kionga chensa 10 elion komenye ayagendete gokorekana kurwa chinsemo au Vanessa Nyaboke nero gotoretera ya kurwa sensemo yebimanyererio na nchini gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto ekeonga chinsa 10 nigo togochaka kurwa ase sector yobochanu asa worokiwa ba grade 10 nigo barachake bena masomo abo ikiegocha na yankorengana no mwaziri wechsemi omuske Julius Migoso Gamba nigo alenge kuyakwana yaiga magega yebitabu byonsi biribira chigotumekwa ase chiskuru che secondary kubwatokwa na koenda ase chiskuru imeyense ya Kenya wizara yechsemi nigo yatebiribuna ebitabu 50% igoro yemia nigo byabere bigotumwa gucha ase chiskuru na nigo aboroki babere barachigotumeka egetabu ekemono nabo nigo babere bagoteba buna nigo ebitabu biberire gakorosiwa kubwatekana nerideni eliria renge ase bali bare korosi ebitabu ase wizara yo ne serikali nigo yaberege wakana edeni yo na nigo ebitabu ebyo bikagere koera korosiwa asomwelio obumutinyo yo.
For every school, we are sending 2 sets of books for every learning area so that we can enhance variety. If a school has 100 learners, for example, that school will get 60% of the books from one publisher and 40% of the books from another publisher, so that in senior school we start enhancing particularly that competency of communication.
Studying in these institutions will start in earnest from next week, which requires that we need to ensure that they have materials in school to allow the teachers to be able to start their curriculum, their training, and their teaching of our students.
We believe that the other balance will be coming soon because we need to first distribute, take the delivery notes to KICD, and then get the remaining 60% for grade 10. We believe that you will continue to support us in terms of timely payment of our dues.
And because we've shown commitment and goodwill in releasing the 5.6 billion, there is no reason for the publishers, the printers to doubt that the government is going to meet its obligation in paying the pending bill of 4.4 billion so that this partnership can proceed without any hiccups.
Omujumbe w'ebunge ya South Mugirango omusiki Silvanus Osoro niga bagakora umurobilyo oyuwo kubwatuka kibasari gokyasaboro kiwa bechi University Amonich College asensemo ya Nyamarambe imeye bunge yo ya South Mugirango nonyerabo nigo boigo aroberetie gochigwikirania umurobili bwosoro kya club ime yechinsemecho Musiko Soro nigo boigo abagakubulia abamenyi bechinsemecho anena abasaye banyareko babakubwata ebibande na kwelike muna abakichikura eli banyole obosubule bogochora abarayi bali baganetie ase chikura chirebusyo.
One, ntuwa wate para chiarambe kugirana. Abante bakweba mapema. Abana bakega bali bade mwache ko apply basari mumaniti. Ekero Mugirangeye about 15 years ago. About 15 years ago. Mugiranga na yo keta bwatera mino ene ya Douglas. Time kurubago teba. Oh. Iga boka na mumaniti. Okay. Ora ndibokora. Na rute biras bitato. Iga, na rute biberega. Na ruta bitato eke moga. Eke balance Mugiranga ndima. Eremia go serebo. Aya, eke agato na dekyo mwali asamangana. Regardless of that, tole gosukuma so many things chitakere asa yamala tanga jenana ko kwata kurati mane ba ko bwatu nyora verification etra area ngateke ekadi yo wake kura you have a choice to make next year usema rame ndo you decide on how to vote next year one tone tai disiga ayana ndo tane ko change ai change ya chikura one ko tane kuruwe tago oche Nyamarambe na oche njeria Ane gotayete kuru Nairobi, ochega, na ochenjiria.
Mwanchumu ligereria Asoro Botironde, abamenyi be sub-county ya Manga, imeye county ya Nyamira, nigo beso kirina kuemrunganiria amakongu au ayubagendrete gwetera anenekero gyo konyora chibesa chiabagotu echabantu bali bobwato bolema amone chintakana cha inua jamii gukwana ekero kyomuyega bokwena na chindagira amone bintu binde asensemeyo omuwakilishe bwabasubati meye county ya Nyamira omusubati Jerusha Mumanyi amono mu commissioner omanga omusubati Valentine Chirono nigo basabire kyombeke ligete nerete chibesa echo kinyariko bagekugaya na emechande yo asobwango nonye nabo nigo egati yabamenyi abo babere bagote babuna nigo batanya konyora chibesa echo oika egeka kemetie nyene bono.
I'm asking Madam Jerusa to roll up the issue because some months are passing without receiving any money. Kama sasa kuna wengine hawajapata kama miezi 4, miezi 5. Alafu wengine wamepata juzi miezi moja baada ya kupanda kukosa miezi 4.
Tuko na changamoto kubwa sana kwa wale ambao wanapata pesa ya Inua Jamii, haswa wale wazee na wale who are able differently, who are on cash transfer program from the national government. Na nafikiri we have escalated the issue na tunatarajia kwamba itashughulikiwa vilivyo.
Serikali huwa inaleta pesa, lakini wale watu wengine ambao wana transmit hizo pesa hata hawatatupatia reason why. Wengine wanapata na wengine hawapati. Kwa sababu wale wengine ambao waliregister, kwa nini waletee wengine na wengine wasipata? Hiyo leo nimepata hayo. Nitaenda hata parliament niende kuuliza ni nini hii inaendelea, kwa sababu kila wakati pesa inakuja.
Naboiko ekero tutigarete imeye county ya Nyamira omoseneta we county yue omusike Okongo Mugeni nigaberiga kumuchia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza eyuerinse yoboraibwaye muraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto asekeli atebiribuna nigabereka gusinyo gukora emirimo iri abetega kwegwa amonaba Kenya gukwana ekiraikirana asomo yiga bwebiriro imeye kenyorokia Nyaikuro imeye wodi ya Manga ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba Senator Okongo nigaberega kugikiria okubwatu kwayo mubunge o Kitutu Chache omusike Anthony Kibagendi na kubuli mugusi anyareko baga kwegwa libagaliaye kurwanirira ebirogo ao
Mate to chekia basani ba matia. Mwaro cho mwana itokoro kwa Anthony Kibagendi mo chumbe o Kitutu Chache South buna ko chando. Mbobe na akora to kwenda ko murusio. Ande to kani Mheshimiwa William Ruto atige bitina. Ekara aligeti yo president ga etuli baga akaliyo bo president buna akora teki kuna atage. Bona bando ba mwangire ekyagara atiringire nse. None kromo ka nyagitali mbora mogwa kiuchi computer mo menya konga inunga nge kadi yangire. Dirisha ya wata binde. Nere ga irete serikali utonga inanga gakoira. NHIF iri akari ya wata problem. Bona gento kyane ngo kore kiye nkyo kore tere gento ke chande tabantu roche mogo no nejire chigari kwa kachisiminga ngorutande narori chigari kwa kachi abantu kari kwa kachisiminga bachire chigitari cha teri gokora okay cha ya ito yonsi okoli irenga mwali ya bona siringi ngapi ikomi ese ngenja saliri ese na kitoko motebelinga bono to ete ko bangana intu torenga 2027 ngoro zidole sa yengia mwake kura torato president delia ai ekero Mheshimiwa Matenya lengo na abana be university bale ko ende school kwe bona baka bale tirege ntoro cyo umwana wakorangeli ukorwaiga otonga genda na kuro so day school na yawo chiko so day school bami ndonga yawo chiko me enchire liko nya twakanya otabanga nga jupiteri yaito bona igoro twanya roto mo chairman kuruhusia ko Vincent kama simoga muga bona kere chairman aro mugusi epati deputy party leader omugusi presidential candidate omugusi enyombe itari ngoti gato tene namo kutoka ende kuchumutua toliye kerwege yeito buya
Muraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigaberega korera emirimo yonsi eriabereka gukorera abakenya kurwa betega koba umuraibwense ogukwana kurwa se nyumba y'oburaia State House emambi yeritukuria rero ekera kolege ikaro amona basae nigo aberega kugikere bali bonsi ebagendete kumwakira matitiri amane mirimo yaye agenderere gukora buna umuraibwense na goteba buna nigo abasae barachigukinia ense ya Kenya gochia ase birengo binde nonye nabo Daktari William Ruto nigalirira yo guchikubwatarania abasae bonsi asomoroberio bwagachi wechinyumba cherigorire ensi gose affordable housing una enchere yemo yo kubaligiria emirimo.
Out of this moment that we finally are believing in ourselves. You know, for a very long time politics has sabotaged our country. Negativity, believing in others more than we believe in ourselves, and speaking negative things about our country, believing that nothing can happen. You know, I've come a long way. Many people were saying, oh, this gentleman is lying to us. Oh, fertilizer was 7,000. He's saying he's lying to us. Today it's 2,500. It's real. Oh, he was going to hire teachers. We have hired 100,000 teachers. It is real. Oh, so you SHA. SHA is real. 28 million people are registered today in SHA, and SHA is working. Oh, I don't know. The economy is not telling us the truth. Today, the numbers don't lie. Oh, affordable. This housing fund is a slush fund. They are going to steal all the money. Oh, you know, William Ruto is the one supplying cement. I don't know, he's supplying steel. Nonsense. Today, the houses are there. They are staring at these people. Stubborn, as always. So, good people, let us believe in ourselves. Let's believe in our country as we believe in God, because this country is going to be changed by us. The housing program today, we have signed contracts for 600 billion. How much? And this is our money. We didn't borrow it from the IMF. We didn't go to the World Bank. We didn't go nowhere. This is our money. We are using our money. We are engaging our companies, Kenyan companies. We are engaging Kenya's consulting firms, professionals. We are using our raw materials and the
na wigo mwanchumu ligiriria umraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigo abetega kuruguchika buna chiskuru chonsi chibaitabe abana ba grade gya 10 no nyemba bwati besa gusemba bwati uniform nigo abereka goteba buna abalimu abanene nigo barachi kubanjira abana goswa ase chiskuru ngano nyemba bwati chiskuru fees gose chi uniform bakobeka na kuburia babeke chi uniform chiri barenge kubeka junior school ekero baganyete kwegwa uniform chinde nonye nabo nigabiriga kuburia abagambi bonsi ase binyoro gweta banyare kuba bagweta na kwena kibuna abana bonsi anene grade gya 10 bachire ase chiskuru.
Directing that no child should remain at home because they do not have school fees. Every child wawe na school fees, wasiwe na school fees, wawe na uniform, wasiwe na uniform, waende shuleni. Na mimi nataka chiefs na assistant chiefs na members of provincial administration, every child in Kenya must report to school because we have provided the money to teach all our children. Tuma pesa bilioni 44 kusomesha watoto wetu. In any case, there is sufficient money for teachers, for our children to be taught in the first term. Kama mtoto ako na uniform ya JSS, hiyo uniform ya JSS anaweza kwenda kutumia kwa secondary school akingojea mzazi wako apate pesa ya kununua uniform ya secondary school. Mtoto wa Kenya asibaki nyumbani kwa sababu ya uniform.
Senior school principals shall optimize the use of the capitation funds that were disbursed to schools on the 2nd of January 2026 while permitting parents and guardians the necessary flexibility in paying their household contributions. Any reports of non-compliance with the foregoing directives shall be made to the nearest education office or national government administration office for appropriate action.
Mwanchumu ligiriria narajikurwa seke unga chensa 10 kurendekero charagire chensa ibere chobotuko bwarero Aaron Ototo Nyaingiri na irane akomanye asenchira yoboikirano biamono yabene asengenchu wancha kuligiriria Getembe TV emeroberio au amo ne kiunga tobwatirane Vanessa Nyaboke kurugalia sensa muyebi manyererio nabigo kurwa sichi kamera tobwatirane Wilfred Matundura Well kwanekia Eliogine chibicha bya gwikire nigakuru ku Mike Wills na nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security, pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu ubunifu kupitia fashion design and clothing technology, hair dressing na beauty therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutiti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nigegotoka imyomo chobosongo nigo yachira